This channel is making approximately $50,000 per month uploading AI-generated videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make YouTube shorts like this and achieve passive income. Please don't forget to subscribe. First step, open ChatGPT. Now, ask it to create a table for us. The first column will include names of the animals. The second column will include an essay at least 50 words long with interesting facts about the animal. And here it is, our perfectly looking table. You can create as many examples as you want and copy it to your Excel or Google Sheet. Second step, search for CapCut.com. That's the software we'll be using for creating the video. Select the TikTok template. As you can see, we successfully made it into CapCut. Now click on the text button. Click plus icon on the default text. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy our generated text of one animal. Paste it in this CapCut text field. Now click on text-to-speech button. Here you can select the language and the specific AI voice you want to use for your video. I will choose the voice of energetic female. Now hit apply to generate the voice. As you can see, the voice has been added to our timeline. You can now go ahead and delete the text from the timeline. Third step, search for FACELESS.com to add free videos and images to our video. Now you can select the video section and search for the animal you've chosen. For example, I have selected tiger. Here you can choose the videos that you like and download them. It's better to select more of them, so you can catch attention of as many people as possible when publishing your video. You can download some pictures of the animal as well. We just need to fill the timeline with some visuals. Fourth step, import the videos and images into our CapCut project and complete the work. Now you can drag each video and image into the timeline. You can also adjust the length so it fits perfectly. Don't forget to add some animations and transitions to make it more attention-grabbing. Fifth step, adding the captions. Click the Captions button, and then press Auto Captions. Now select the language. I will choose British English, and click Generate. As you can see, the software has automatically created the captions for us. Now, we can adjust their position, color, background, and other things to make it perfect. Sixth step, adding the music. I prefer to download copyright-free music from the YouTube Studio library. Here, you can choose the best music that suits for your video. Now go back to CapCut and import the audio file. You can drag and drop it into our timeline. Now adjust the length. I will also adjust fade in and fade out duration, so it sounds absolutely great. Seventh step, export the final video. Now go ahead and download it. And the last thing to do is upload the video to our channel. And here is the result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next one. Bye!